welcome back to another video on DIY Masters. I'm India.
And this is Lucy.
Today we will be making cotton candy slime. You will need glue,
Shaving cream,
a container,
baking soda,
blue foam beads,
pink foam beads,
and scent is optional.
and then you'll need some contact solution.
And also a bowl and a spatula. The first things first, what you're going to need to do is get your glue and put it into your bowl.
And then while she's doing that, I'm going to add some shaving cream. God.
Now you just mix. So now we're just mixing it. Now take some scent optional. And I'm using vanilla because it kind of smells like cotton candy. She's mixing that properly. Now it's time for her activator. So baking soda.
Okay, so I'm going to take a pinch of baking soda and just sprinkle it in the slime.
And I'm just gonna mix that proper.
And then, after she mixed that in, I'm going to take some saline solution and
Contact.
well, whatever, and just squirt some in.
You don't need too much because you want your Floam to stick. A little bit more, sweetie. We made our slime, and make sure you make it sticky enough for your foam bead to stick. She's gonna add pink, and I'm gonna add blue, so it looks like cotton candy.
How much foam?
The whole bag. No. Since we added so much pink, we're gonna add not as much blue. So I'm gonna need that in. Hang on, let me just get all these beads. So this is what it's like after you've had all the beads in. So, it is very, very, very satisfying.
So now we're just going to give you some ASMR
Slash rosy stuff, flowers. So here is what the rose thing, whatever that's, the swirl looks like. And the ASMR is actually not good at all. It's like not good. It's pretty stretchy. It's really good. And I like it.
Here, let's try to, here. We're going to,
Okay, so now we're going to put it in the container.
hold on. Can we try making a bubble?
So, after, this is not going to make a bubble, it's small.
I know.
Now, you need to keep this in a container because you don't want it to dry out. And after you have it in the container, you're good to go. Thanks for watching how to make cotton candy slime on DIY Masters. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace out!